Hello, IG Garage family. Is your car losing power, struggling to start, or showing high fuel consumption? If your check engine light is on, and the scanner shows P0193, fuel rail pressure sensor circuit high input, you might be dealing with a critical fuel system issue. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, where the fuel rail pressure sensor FRP is located, and how you can fix it. Stick around till the end because I'll also recommend two must-watch videos, P0460, fuel level sensor circuit malfunction, and P0390, camshaft position sensor B circuit malfunction. Let's get started. What does P0193 mean? The P0193 code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an unusually high voltage signal from the fuel rail pressure sensor, FRP. This means the sensor is either reporting excessive fuel pressure or there's an electrical issue in the circuit. Symptoms of P0193 include hard starting or no start, engine stalling while driving, poor fuel economy, rough idling and hesitation, and a strong fuel smell from the exhaust. Common causes of P0193 are a faulty fuel rail pressure sensor, FRP, damaged wiring or loose electrical connections, a fuel pump delivering excessive pressure, fuel filter blockage or contamination, and in rare cases a PCM malfunction. The fuel rail pressure sensor, FRP, is located on the fuel rail, which is mounted on top of the engine. How to locate the FRP sensor? Open the hood and find the fuel rail, which is a metal tube delivering fuel to the injectors. The fuel rail pressure sensor, FRP, is bolted directly onto the fuel rail, usually near the intake manifold. In some vehicles, especially diesels, it may be located closer to the high-pressure fuel pump. Look for a small, round or rectangular sensor with an electrical connector attached to it. Pro tip: if you're unsure, follow the fuel lines from the injectors. They will lead you straight to the fuel rail pressure sensor. Check the FRP sensor and wiring. Inspect the sensor connector and wiring for damage or corrosion. Unplug and reconnect the sensor to ensure a secure connection. Test the fuel rail pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check the voltage output of the sensor. If readings are erratic or too high, replace the sensor. Inspect the fuel pump. A failing pump can cause excessive pressure, triggering P0193. Test the fuel pressure using a gauge and compare it with manufacturer specs. Check for fuel system leaks or blockages. A clogged fuel filter can cause pressure fluctuations. Replace the filter if it's dirty or overdue for maintenance. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code. Start the engine and take a short test drive to confirm the fix. And that's how you diagnose and fix P0193, fuel rail pressure sensor circuit high input. If you want to avoid fuel system issues, regularly check your fuel pressure and keep your filter clean. For more repair tips, watch these two important videos next. P0460, fuel level sensor circuit malfunction, and P0390 camshaft position sensor B circuit malfunction. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and turn on notifications for more expert car repair videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.